Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of, yes, it's a Wednesday, March the 24th, 2021. We have here 3 regular Sudokus with a binary Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku. Yes, 3 regular Sudokus. And the first Sudoku, by the way, in this newspaper, there is also an additional with extra Sudokus. 8, I believe. There are 8 extra Sudokus, but first I will solve these 3 Sudokus. And the first one is a binary one, and this one will be number 2520. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 1s and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Here we have double O. Here one, there one. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. Alright. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Alright. Double 1, here no, there no. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Alright. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Alright. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1s comes in O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 5 1s in this row, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Then I know between an O and a 1, with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So this should be a 1. Okay. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Alright. Then double O, here 1, there 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, and I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. So this is the 1. This is the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oh, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oh, so the rest are ones. Yeah. Then, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5, the 5th O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright. Great binary. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle. That will be a Sudoku Medium. So prepare for that one. And I will see you soon. Bye-bye for now.